Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukon rat ke sangma harengkat ka jingsen ran lang UMLA ka Umsning constituency uba Jason S Maulong menta kasngi ka nyautre uyayong ulawan pan Plie ka solar power energy lane ka sustainable energy solution ha Umsawnongkharai Health and Wellness Center Riboy district ya ka balabai pisa Rangbah ka Selco Foundation. Daka jingdan kate ka solar power energy kala pensuk ya ka rukom trekam bat ajing mentoi shibud ya kate ka center bat ikipat ba kibawan bansha sumar ha kate ka center. Ha kate ka sngi lawan bansa Shillong the mission director National Health Mission UR Kumar ka CEO Selco Foundation ka Ditismita Chaube ka District Medical Health Officer ka Dr. MC Emle u Deputy Commissioner Riboy District UR Pitta Upadhyaya lambat kiwe.
But with those challenges, we also saw it as an opportunity to build up the health services and the health infrastructure, which is what we have done. And a large amount of money has been spent on improving the infrastructure in the rural areas. And I can assure the people of the state that in the coming years also, that we will be spending large amount of money, especially in the rural health sector, to more importantly increase the infrastructure, improve the infrastructure, and provide better health services at the grassroots level. I also would like to inform that our ASHA workers who have been working very, very diligently in the past, a large number of incentives which were due for many, many years, 6 years, 7 years, had not been cleared for them. And I'm happy to announce, and all of you know, that most of those incentives have been cleared for the ASHAs, including the ones that have been pending for the past 7 years, 8 years also.
Di kalau Arab subun namar ba inong haru kilai kami bun hi ke banwan khang ni di paka di hadu menta nadu pas dang ban pen khana du district organize ba September 2020 la don hadu nyu ko argo kila pen khapun ni di raka jingdan jangari ka solar hangi energy awat kalau besuk iki kan aku buat beli light room langsung kan penkhar nanti di umdi tanya kata ru kalau ada sekali ke tempat ke bebu vaksin kan ke bagi ILR ni ke bebu ke vaksin tadi ru kalau ada dengan ka solar di kiri laptop kiri ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la run beta kali ka solar kan dengan syukur pat iki no Shillong makin ya makin kam ya wan nang ya wan shu syakmat ban ya ting Henry ai bagi dia wan deliver yiki kedua kha yi lung hani na bagi nurse ki training ni ki pala dep iki training ki dep iki kuli ki dep nam ta shu ban kam peti shu ban perkha nang ba ka jingyap iki ki long ki ba armet ban iki kulung ki ba shu kan penduna